This was just blocking the dryer vent. This is an extreme fire hazard. Extreme. This vent I've already done. It was pretty, this is what I got. It's a lot, right? But we could turn on the flash. I hope you guys can see. If not, I will take it out myself and show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see. This thing is stuffed, packed with lint. I'm trying to grab it with my hands because it's completely blocking the vent. I'm doing it right now. You guys could see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this. This was just blocking the dryer vent. This is an extreme fire hazard. Extreme. Look at this. That's thick. Let's see if I can get any more just with my hand. I couldn't even put my equipment in there because it was just completely blocked. And it's wet too. Oh no. That's not good. So this is just a second handful. And you can still see it's super thick. I don't think this has ever been done professionally. They probably cleaned it from the bottom where the dryers are actually located, but this is not good. Not at all. So we're gonna clean it now. I think I got the majority of the bulk out of the way. But as what was in there, you could see how thick this is. It's, it's still wet from the condensation. So we're gonna clean it now. Alright guys, we're going to show you the aftermath of this horrible dryer vent. I think it's been done before in the past, but I don't think it's been done correctly because as you can see right now, I'm on the rooftop where the exit point is, and I've been seeing a lot of dryer vents being done where the actual dryer is, which you gotta do it from that way as well, but the most important thing is to make sure there's no clogs whatsoever. And in this case, there was a huge clog, and that's an extreme fire hazard. But here, let's show you the aftermath. It's really windy, so a lot of it blew. You can see what remains. We have this big chunk right here, all this fine stuff right here, and then the actual vents are right here. They're blowing out really hot right now, so you can see all that stuff blowing away. But another thing that I didn't like about this is downstairs they had 4-inch piping, and then for some reason it turned into 6-inch piping. I could see that being the case if there was more than one dryer vent connected to it, but it's just one dryer for each vent. So I don't understand why they didn't just take it 4-inch all the way up for the exhaust, because when you go smaller to bigger, it just creates problems. But yeah, overall, not a bad job. I mean, I had to fit through this hole. I know, it looks kind of scary, huh? But overall, not bad. We started at $99 since we're on the roof, and we added on another dryer. It came out to $350. So it's a good payday. I've only been up here for maybe 40 minutes. So if you think about it, an hour of work for $350 isn't too bad. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think this is our only job today. So yeah, it's cold here in Chicago.